Hi everyone, we have 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 equals, what is the answer? So first, we have to move step by step. We've been given answer A, 6, B, 1, C, 1 over 6, and D, 6 to the power of minus 2. So we'll move step by step. We'll start with 6 divided by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. Then we're supposed to divide by 6. This 1 we're supposed to divide by 6. So we say 1 again, divided by this 6. We write it like this. Then we have to divide again by 6. So we say divide by 6. 6 means 6 over 1. So this means 1 over 6 divided by 6 over 1. So we're going to change the divide and we're going to turn girls here. So we say 1 over 6 multiply by 1 over 6. So we get here 1 by 1 is 1 and 6 by 6 is 36. So this is as if we say 1 over, so we say as if is 6 to the power of 2 is 6. 6 by 6 is 36. Okay. So here we can also say this can be written also as 1 over 6 to the power of 2. Okay, 6 over 1 minus 2. So 6 over 1 is also going to be 6 to the power of minus 2. So this is our answer. So the answer is D. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.